Oh my God. What have we brought into this world?
You were worried about Charlie's face wearing a baby grow.
Have we brought in?
You haven't just done that quick. You haven't wiped your ass.
What did you go and do? She's been matter of moments. I'm talking the time. The time these two got back with glasses and eyes.
Go and clean your hands with soap properly.
Go. Hold up a minute, Savage, come here. Listen. Listen. They went to the kitchen to get some glass and ice. By the time they got back, she's done a number 2. She's wiped her chad and washed her hands, so she thinks.
I was really enjoying that.
There's no chance she's done all that in that time.
That's a world record time. Are you happy now?
Where is this?
Look at it.
Where is this? Have you wiped your bum properly?
On your nose. Look at you like Mrs. Christmas.
What, properly wiped your bum? Are you sure?
I went for slippery water.
Dave, don't even say that. Slippery water. That's enough. That's enough detail.
No! Tell me more! Tell me more! Tell me more!
You've been in the toilet.
It was like diving.
Put it down. That's enough. That's enough.
Your mum says no.
No more. No more. Not ice cream.
Do me a favour. Do me a favour. Now I've got that picture.
Slippery water.
Now I've got that picture in my head. Go and wash your hands again.
That's gone in your kitchen now.
Oh my God! She smacked me round the head. She just smacked me round the head with something.
If you just seen your head like that.
She just walloped me.
No, you happy?
That's not washing your hands.
On camera as well.
Oh, go away.
Issues.
Go away, you dirty little girl.
You dirty bastard.
I don't want to eat this now. All I can visualise.
Dirty.
Slippery
All I
water.
can visualise is that.
I'm going to try and finish my dinner. You loving the football, son?
Yeah.
What's happening on the football? Man United, Arsenal, 1-1.
Yeah.
Me and the boysy, chilling.
Yeah. He's gonna win.
Oh. What are you reckoning? 20, what we got? A quarter of an hour left. It's 1-1. What are you saying?
I reckon Arsenal will get one more goal.
Arsenal, 1 more goal, yeah?
Yeah, 2-1 Arsenal.
Alright.
What do you think they'll find the first one?
No. Yeah, I think so. They're attacking well, aren't they, Arsenal? So I think so.
Yeah.
I think,
They're on the
yeah.
attack now.
It could be 2-1. Let's watch this. What is it? Come on, commentate for me. Where's your commentating skills?
Dunno.
Hey?
Dunno.
Frankie's into a football team now. We're out Tuesday night watching the football, aren't we, son?
Yeah.
There we go, United on the attack, son.
United on the attack, Rashford.
Oh, it could be the other way round.
Oh, Rashford.
Here up, here up.
Oh, Ramsdale. Unlucky.
Frank's got a football match Tuesday. He's new to the team. Hopefully he gets a little run out, maybe 5 minutes or so. It'd be nice.
Yeah.
Because they got their squad. He's joined in 7-a-side team. There's 9 of them in the team.
So,
Frank's got himself a spot now, so he's got to impress.
Yeah. Currently, I play left back.
Currently your left back, yeah?
Yeah.
Number 3.
Yeah.
What are you saying? Got your kit?
Yes.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Fast?
Yeah.
Pace?
Yeah.
Got to get your positioning right.
I did actually Saturday.
You did. You've done 100%. Done so much better yesterday from the. But the first week you were just really nervous because it was your first time with the boys.
Yeah.
This week was the first training session with the boys. You was 100% better. So I'm thinking each week as it goes on, all of a sudden before you know it, you could be playing on the big screen like that, son. Yeah?
But not them teams, Chelsea.
Yeah. High five the foot. Smell that, bro. What's that, bro? Smell that, bro. Smell that, bro. Yeah, look. Declan Rice, last couple of minutes. He's
Declan
Yeah,
Declan Rice.
yeah.